Hi, my name's Chris Edmund and I'm a writer, director, once was actor, painter, educator, so I've had a busy life. So over my career I've directed around 150 productions all over the world.
Well, one of the great exercises we did here is like listening to another person's story and then try to put that into a script. This was a very good, very good experience.
Something Chris made us do a lot it was really not about the structure and all the basics that you can learn about online. It was more about working together and actually just sitting down and writing.
Screenwriting or scripts in general, whether it's theatre or movie, it's something that has always interested me, because without a good script there's no movie, there's no screenplay, there's no theatre.
And I've been really incredibly overjoyed at their response, their commitment, their focus. They brought their energy, their openness of heart to begin to learn about the techniques of writing, not only for stage, which is actually my real area of expertise, experience, but also writing for film. So we've covered an enormous amount of ground in 3 days. I've tried to make it part theoretical, part practical, because I think the learning wasn't just sitting around, but actually to get people stimulated and writing. Ask each other some details about the story. I don't know what your stories are, but where they took place. We find that with acting and directing and writing, the pace of the dialogue that you have, how that intrigues us.
It was a way to be able to create a story from someone else's story.
So being able to be here today with Chris is such a great opportunity for me, because I'm able to learn with someone who's been everywhere, who's been able to work with so many people and create so many things, and being able to listen to him and see different views, different opinions, perspectives, helps me to see how, as a creator, as a producer, I've made a few mistakes back then and I'm able to work on it today.
Chekhov, who I talked about yesterday, said something lovely about structure. He said with a 4-act play, if you put a gun on the wall in Act 1, you have to fire it in Act 4. And I think that's a really clever way of thinking about how to, when you're structuring a play.
And eventually we came up with a very good script. This workshop is a really good place to collaborate with people, to understand how other people do the work, mainly for me, as it's the first time I'm really doing some real script writing.
To get the formula. Even though sometimes, as I said, it's sometimes good to write something with that structure, to follow that. After 7 minutes, we have an event after 20 or whatever it might be.
What I have realized is that you can write about anything, you just need to get starting, and then there's the writer's block is just start writing, and it can go anywhere basically.
And always as a teacher, you're really happy when you see people, a light bulb go off, or people suddenly make a connection, and you think, oh, that's something that they will take into their.
Start doing something, and then things happen, and you see this character and you have another one, and you realize how interesting it can get when that you meet. And what we've done with Chris as well was interesting, because we've put these in motion and trying to act actually. So even in the writing workshop, and we have realized how much our writing was important, and how the pacing, for example, was key, and how to incorporate that into the writing to basically help a lot of the actors after and get your vision across with that.
Honestly, it's been the best thing I've ever tried in my life, and I really thank all those people who've pushed me towards this workshop, and I really hope there will be more workshops later on so that I can work and learn more.
For me, it's been a really joyous 3 days which we've completed, and I think everyone has gone home happy. I'm certainly happy, and and my final words to them really is just keep writing. Don't give up. You will reject stuff. Some of it will be rubbish. Some of it won't work. But then you'll suddenly find something that you do connect with. You'll begin to find your own voice as a writer, and that's the important thing, to find your own voice. You're not copying anyone. It's actually you, your view of the world, your experience that you're communicating to us on stage or screen.
And I came to this workshop because I just wanted to learn more, and